Boy Scouts Forever, written by Ruskin Bond. Children, now I shall read one para and then explain it. Okay, first I shall begin with the first para. I was a Boy Scout once, although I couldn't tell a slip knot from a granny knot or a reef knot from a thief knot, except that a thief knot was supposed to be used to tie up a thief. Should you happen to catch one, I have never caught a thief and wouldn't know what to do with one since I can't tie a knot. Just let him go with a warning, I suppose. Tell him to become a Boy Scout. In this para, Ruskin Bond, the writer says that he was once a Scout. Scouts means a voluntary, non-political education movement for young people, for children. Though he was a Scout, he did not know the different knots that is taught to the Scouts. He says he could not understand the difference between slip knot and granny knot, and also the difference between the reef knot and the thief knot. But he thought that a thief knot is used to tie a thief. He says that he has never caught a thief, and if he could, he would not know what to do, as he couldn't tie a thief knot. He would just warn him and let him go and ask him to become a Boy Scout. Now I shall read the second para. Be prepared. That's the Boy Scout motto. And a good one too, but I never seem to be well prepared for anything, be it an exam or a journey or the roof blowing off my room. I get halfway through a speech and then forget what I have to say next. Or I make a new suit to attend a friend's wedding and then turn up in my pajamas. In this para, the writer says the motto of the Boy Scout is being prepared always, that is, be ready, which Ruskin says is a good one. But he says he cannot be prepared well for anything, like for exam or journey, etc. He says he forgets his speech after he has finished half and has stitched a suit for a wedding. Wedding means marriage. And attended it in pajamas. Pajamas is a loose-fitting night suit. Now I shall read the next para. So how did I, the most impractical of boys, become a Boy Scout? I was at boarding school in Shimla when it happened. Then how did he become a Boy Scout? It is because he was at boarding school in a place called Shimla. Well, it seems a rumor had gone around the junior school. I was still a junior then, that I was a good cook. I had never cooked anything in my life, but of course I had spent a lot of time in the tuck shop, making suggestions and advising Chipu, who run the tuck shop, and encouraging him to make more. He says that a rumor was spread. Okay, the meaning of rumor is a currently circulating stories. A rumor has spread about him that he was a good cook. He did not know to cook, but he spent a lot of time in the tuck shop, that is a snack shop. He made suggestions and advised its owner. The owner's name was Chipu, and encouraged him to make better things.